Sakoo Sai Moo is a sweet and savory tapioca dumpling with a pork filling, and today we're going to show you how to make it. These are the ingredients that you'll need. In a mortar and pestle, you're going to add your cilantro root bottoms, black peppercorn, and garlic and pound it into a paste. And if you don't have a mortar and pestle, that's okay. Just mince it finely together with a knife. On medium-high heat, add vegetable oil to your pan. Add the sapglö paste. Once the paste starts releasing aroma, add the ground pork. In goes the diced shallots, followed by diced sweet pickled radish, make sure it's the sweet one. And palm sugar, when this melts, is going to allow the filling to stick together. Crushed roasted peanuts are going to add a nice texture to the filling. Can't forget about the fish sauce to balance out the sweetness. And sweet dark soy sauce is going to add a deeper, richer color to the filling. Stir the mixture for a bit and allow it to get stickier and for the flavors to come together. Once the filling has cooled down, with clean hands, grab about 1.5 tablespoons of filling and roll into balls. Repeat until you have no more filling. For the wrapper, I'm using small tapioca pearls. Rinse the pearls until the water runs clear. We are now ready to wrap our tapioca dumplings. So you're going to take some of the tapioca pearls and pat it down into a flat layer on your clean hands. So you're going to place one of the filling balls on your tapioca layer and gently mold the tapioca layer around the filling ball. You're going to mold it all around in a thin layer until the filling is completely covered. Try not to mash all of the pearls when wrapping the dumplings. The presentation and the texture is going to be much nicer at the end, trust me. Place your tapioca dumplings into a steamer. I'm using banana leaf to line the steamer, which is optional. Steam it for about 30 minutes or until the tapioca is translucent. I can't wait to eat! Brush garlic oil all over the tapioca dumpling. This prevents them from sticking together and plus provides a delicious garlic flavor. Lastly, sprinkle with that crispy fried garlic. Oh yeah! Time for a bite. So good. Really isn't that hard to make. Just takes patience and the result is so satisfying. Well, I hope you give this recipe a try and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And until next time, bye!